I really fucking this boring as a bullshit. What can I do? I know. I am going out to knock down those vending machines. Zack sack 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 socks. Now it's time to knock down those vending machines. Zack sack 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 socks. Yes, I knocked down those vending machines. Yes, I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey, what the hell is that?
Oh.
Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes, I knocked down those vending machines.
Darth Sidious, how dare you knock down those vending machines? That's it. I'm calling you a bird side about this. Go home right now.
No.
The fucking Sidious? We cannot believe you knocked down this vending machine. Now we have to pay for the caused vending machine damage.
But Luke, I'm really sorry.
I don't give a shit! You are so grounded. 89654789364 years. Go to your freaking room right now, you piece of crap.
You want to go to Yatkin Table? Wow.
Shut the hell up and no Jack in the Box for you.